Hey, what's up? It's Brett Jones, Jones Sport Fishing. No, you heard that before. Hey, anyways, just got a little something in the mail here today. Never done one of these box opening things, but I seen Kyle do one with some Brad's mini cut plugs or something. I was like, shit, I got something new coming. I'll do one. So anyways, as you guys know, I run a lot of Okuma rods for sturgeon fishing. And to be honest, like, them Okuma rods I run are just junk, you know. The blank's amazing, never broke a blank. But the components that they put on those Okuma rods, man, they just, the eyes break pretty easily. The ceramic pops out, which just unacceptable. And then, like, the biggest thing is the reel seat. The epoxy under the reel seat breaks and spins. I know that's has been a problem with some other rods before, but yeah, ordered this TF4 rod a month ago. So if you order one of these, you do need to make sure it's gonna, or you do want to make sure that, like, you are not gonna need it for a while, because, like, it was freaking Valentine's Day when I ordered this thing, which, you know, TFR, a smaller company, so, you know, guys get busy. I know, like, or a small company, you know, sometimes we try and get back, but don't get back to you that day or the next day. But so not gonna be too hypercritical on that. But if you guys do order it, make sure you have some time before you're gonna need it. But yeah, I've never picked one of these sticks up before. I know some guys in Idaho that's been, like, pushing TFRs pretty hard. To be honest, I've tried to stay out of that catfish world because, you know, I don't like to dumb my sturgeon down by using, like, a rod that says catfish, like Slime Cat, Hellcat, Mad Cat. I mean, I am not catfishing. We are not catfishing. You come on a sturgeon trip with us, we are not catfishing. So I don't like to put the catfish in the same category as the sturgeon. So I do not like, personally, seeing a catfish or any rod named after a catfish for sturgeon. I mean, you know, these sturgeon, they're dinosaurs, man. The white sturgeon species is 200 million years old. That supersedes the Jurassic era. So, like, you know, sturgeon, that's old world, man. So I don't like to throw the old catfish rod. I mean, those full fiberglass rods, glass rods, they do the trick, but, like, I don't know. And then personally, I really do not like a full glass rod. You know, the sensitivity is gone. There is no sensitivity. It's just basically a look at the end of the rod tip, and when it goes down, that's your bite. You don't really feel anything back at the reel seat, where, you know, like, you're trying to feel for that bite. And like, just the other day at CJ, we had really subtle bites, and with those glass rods, you know, I definitely would have missed one or two of them. So yeah, TFR, I know they're a catfish-based company, but it doesn't put a catfish on it or a catfish logo, so I appreciate that. And he came out with this composite rod, and yeah, it's perfect. It's I really prefer a six foot rod. I mean, the leverage there is great. But they came out with this 6'8" rod. So, and let's go ahead and take a look at it. So the box came kind of broke here in the middle. There's a little tape on it. Don't know if that was, highly doubt that was from TFR. It was probably from the shipping company. If you want crap. But they do claim that these are indestructible rods, and I've seen I've seen that Justin guy smack these things on trees. So like, get a little ding in the box on a rod like this. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, see what we got. Got some good got some good staples in it. See what we got. Looks like we got the butt of the rod right here. Here we go. Whoa, that's cool. That is cool. That is something I've never seen come with a rod. Wow, that's pretty badass right there. I'm gonna have to say big kudos. Toughest freaking rods, TF4. So here it is, about the same as the sheath. That's cool, man. That right there, that's cool. That's cool. That actually gives me a lot more confidence about these guys. So yeah, wow. There it is. Bright chartreuse. You guys know, as a trout fisherman, I love a chartreuse. But I don't know about that color. Gonna need to get some sunglasses. Can't really wear them sunglasses. So yeah, seems like it's a little stiff, but yeah, mega fish energy. So we'll see what it's got. 6'8" power, extra heavy. Line or lure weight is 2 to 20 ounces. 2 to 20 ounces. That's a lot. So, but yeah, there it is. 6'8". If you guys are fishing out of a boat, you do not want those 10-foot rods or even those 8-foot rods. These shorter rods, man, seeming how you're right on the fish. Shorter rod, more leverage for you. Less back pain for you, less leverage for the fish. Gonna be able to fight these fish in faster and safer with a shorter rod. Now the guys fishing on the bank, absolutely chuck your 10, 12s, 15 footers. Gotta be able to get some baits way out there. But if you're fishing in a boat, there's no need for anything longer than a 6'6". This is a 6'8". Let's check it out. So anyways, you guys see some filming with this thing. So awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.